Get dressed with me, day 2 here in Taiwan. Actually, bakit get dressed with me? Naka-dress up na ako. Puffer jacket na vest from January Clothing. Grabe, ang taba ko na. Isara natin para matakpan ang taba. Ang cashmere na sweater is from January Clothing also. Thank you, guys! Sobrang love ko lahat ng binili ko sa inyo. Perfect talaga for winter season. Mahal, ano mong ginagawa mo dyan? Stato ka ba? Itong pants from Mango. First, ang shoes natin for today is Onitsuka. Kahapon, guys, nag-day 1 tayo dito sa Taiwan, no? We spent the day sleeping. Kagabi, nag-Ximending night market kami, kumain kami. Very overwhelming lang kasi sobrang daming tao. Pero ang pinaka-top na nakain namin ay yung Xiaolongbao at saka yung seafood tang na bubble milk tea. Ang weather talaga outside ngayon, forecasted is 12 degrees. Pero nakita ko sa app, sa phone is 14 degrees. Iba-iba kasi depende sa tolerance ng tao talaga yung weather.
Tolerance.
Outfit natin today. Today is Sunday, everyone. So, magsisimba muna kami bago kami pumunta sa Taipei 101. We will explore Taipei 101 today for the first time with the whole family. Thank you, Lord. See you later!